Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on strain energy. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 1 mark. Two threaded bolts A and B of same material and length are subjected to identical tensile load. If the elastic strain energy stored in bolt A is 4 times that of bolt B and the mean diameter of bolt A is 12 mm, what is the mean diameter of bolt B in millimeter? 16, 24, 36, or 48? Well, let us draw schematically the figures. Let this is bolt A and this is the bolt B, and the mean diameter of bolt A is dA and mean diameter of bolt B is dB. Okay, both are acted upon with identical tensile load. Let the load be P. Okay, and both are of same length L. It's given. Okay, same length and same material, so the modulus of elasticity BE, it is same. Okay, so the cross sectional area of bolt A BAA and that of bolt B BAB, and the corresponding volume be VA and VB. Okay, so now we know the formula of strain energy stored in the bar is half into stress into strain into volume, right? So therefore UA will be half into stress P by AA into strain PL by AE into volume VA. Okay, and that in bolt B will be half into P by AB into PL by AB into E into VB, right? So it's given that the elastic strain energy stored in bolt A is 4 times that of bolt B. That means UA is 4 times that of UB. Okay, so clearly we can write half into P by AA into PL by AA into E into VA is equal to 4 into half into P by AB into PL by AB into E into VB, right? On simplification, so P will go and L will go, half will go, 1 by AA square, and E also will go into VB. So VB is VA is nothing but AA into L, we can write. Okay, 4 into here VB means AB into L by AB square. Okay, so which implies again L will go and A will get cancelled, so 1 by AA is equal to 4 by AB, right, which implies 1 by pi by 4 into dA square is equal to 4 by pi by 4 dB square, right? So which implies, so this pi by 4 will get cancelled, and this is dB square is 4 into dA square, right? So which implies dB will be equal to 2 into dA, that is equal to 2 into 12. dA is given 12 mean diameter, so it is 24. Okay, so clearly dB, the mean diameter of the bolt B, will be 24 mm. So clearly it's matching with option B. So option B is the correct answer. Hope you have understood. If you are enjoying, please do share with your friends.